Hi, welcome to MicroChat. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up with free trial accounts on MicroChat. So let's start. Open MicroChat URL in your browsers and scroll down to the pricing plan. You can also click on pricing buttons on top navigations. Yeah. Click on 14 days trials buttons. It will redirect you to the registration page. Enter email address here. Enter your password. Enter your website URL on which you want to integrate your chatbot and accept the term and conditions and click on get started buttons. Now you have been registered. Go to your email box and confirm your email. Now it's time to log in. Click on sign in buttons. Enter your email, your password and click on login buttons. Now complete your profiles. Enter your first name, enter your last name. You can choose your time zones and click on save and next buttons. Here you can see you have been registered with paid 14 days free trial accounts. Now it's time to integrate your chatbot in your website. So click on setting buttons here and then click on appearance. You can see here we have two types of widget, full page and embed. Now let's try with embed. Checkbox, click on checkbox embed button, embed and click on copy. Open your website source code and enter this code inside body sections and save your code. Now go to your website and you will see MicroChat widget is available here. Now it's time to create chatbot automations. Click on create on chatbots, click on chatbots, and we have four templates: lead generations, handle FAQ, multiple choices, and customer support. Now click on multiple choices. Enter your chatbot's name and click on save buttons. Click on cross buttons to see if it is active. Now your chat is active. Now make your profile available, active, away, offline. Click on available if you are available to chat with your customers. Now go to your website and refresh the page so that it will refresh the page. Now click on chat. Now your customer enter their email address. And you can also allow your customers to sign up with newsletters and click on send. Now you will see the notification in your chatbot that you have received your one users. So refresh your page. Now see one. Customer is on online. You have requested you to talking. Now join. Your agent can join the chat communications, and your agent can send the message. Hi, how may we help you? Now your customers will see the customer types message. Now you will see sound notifications. You see. Now your agent can leave the conversations. Then agent customers will see the feedback. Give the feedback to your agents by rating here. What are, and type there excellent feedback and send. That's it. Now you can also change your trial accounts to our paid plans. For this, you need to go to our bill and plan sections and go to plans, and you can choose. You can upgrade to any of our plans as per your business requirement. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.